Suzuki is a well-known Japanese motorcycle manufacturer with a rich history in the motorcycle industry. Suzuki motorcycles are known for their innovation, performance, and a wide range of models catering to various riding styles and preferences. Here are some key details about Suzuki motorcycles. 1. History. Suzuki began producing motorcycles in the early 1950s and quickly gained recognition for its engineering prowess. The company's first motorcycle was the Suzuki Power Free, featuring a 36 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine with a novel automatic transmission system. 2. Product lineup. Suzuki offers a diverse lineup of motorcycles, including sport bikes. Suzuki is renowned for its sport bike offerings, including the legendary Suzuki GSX-R series. These motorcycles are known for their high-performance engines, agile handling, and aerodynamic designs. Cruisers. Suzuki produces cruiser-style motorcycles, such as the Suzuki Boulevard series, designed for comfortable, relaxed riding. Adventure and dual sport. Suzuki's adventure and dual sport motorcycles, like the V-Strom series, are capable of on-road and off-road riding, making them suitable for adventure touring. Street bikes. Suzuki offers a range of street-oriented motorcycles, including standard and naked bikes like the Suzuki SV650. Motocross and off-road. Suzuki manufactures motocross and off-road motorcycles designed for racing and recreational riding. Models like the Suzuki RMZ series are popular in this category. 3. Engine types. Suzuki utilizes various engine configurations, including inline-4, V-twin, and single-cylinder engines, depending on the model. Their engines are known for their performance and reliability. 4. Innovative technology. Suzuki incorporates advanced technology into its motorcycles, including fuel injection, traction control, quick shifters, and advanced suspension systems like the Suzuki Advanced Traction Control System, SACTCS. 5. Design and aesthetics. Suzuki motorcycles feature modern and often aggressive styling. The GSX-R series, in particular, is known for its distinctive look. 6. Customization. Suzuki offers a range of accessories and aftermarket parts to allow riders to customize their motorcycles to their liking. 7. Global presence. Suzuki motorcycles are sold worldwide, and the company has a strong global presence, with dealerships and a dedicated rider community in many countries. 8. Racing heritage. Suzuki has a long history in motorcycle racing, with successes in various competitions, including MotoGP, Superbike World Championship, and motocross racing. Their racing experience contributes to the development of high-performance road bikes. 9. Safety. Suzuki places a strong emphasis on rider safety and incorporates safety features like ABS, anti-lock braking system, in many of its models. 10. Financial stability. Suzuki is a financially stable company with a reputation for producing durable and reliable motorcycles. 11. Electric motorcycles. Like many motorcycle manufacturers, Suzuki is exploring electric motorcycle technology and has showcased electric motorcycle concepts. It's important to note that Suzuki's product lineup evolves over time, with new models and updates introduced regularly. For the most up-to-date information on Suzuki motorcycles, you can visit the official Suzuki Motorcycles website or contact a Suzuki dealership. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share, comment, and subscribe.